Hey now, I was having trouble with my furnace going off and cutting off itself, not running, and I think I came down to, I hope this is what's wrong with it. This is the switch that was in it at the right on the furnace. So to watch when I tap, I lose continuity. I turn the switch off, turn it on. Hopefully that's what was doing it. Now, let me see. I'm going to put this switch in it. It's one that I had. It's used, but should be. Hope it's good. Should be good. Now look, I tap on this one. I don't lose it. So hopefully this is what's wrong with it. I'm going to put this switch in and see. Okay.